Hi, I'm Frank Eidson. I get asked constantly when I sign clients up, how long does it take for my personal injury auto accident case to settle? The short answer is 4 to 6 months if you don't file suit, 1 year to 3 years if you do file a lawsuit. The main thing that you have to prove in a motor vehicle accident are four things. The first one's liability, and that means who's at fault. And everybody likes to see who got the ticket because that makes it pretty easy. I usually meet with the client. I've got this little diagram. If they're on the interstate and get rear-ended, that's one way to prove fault. Otherwise, I'll take this to an intersection and we'll line up the cars that got T-boned, did they get sideswiped, something that deals with liability. Number two is causation. Causation's a slippery road. Insurance company love it when you've had a prior injury and settled and you had a prior back problem, neck problem, or whatever. And it's important for me to meet with your doctor, which is what I do personally on every case, to find out, did this accident cause the injuries that my client's complaining of? Causation can take many different forms. It can be immediate, where you have a surgery right out of the box, or sometimes it takes a while for things to develop. Number three is damages, and that's what all the clients like to talk about. There's four really parts to it, I think. Number one is lost wages. Did you miss any work? Number two, medical bills that have been unpaid. Three, pain and suffering. I hurt, it's sore, it stings. And four, loss of enjoyment of life. I can't walk on the beach, I can't fish, I can't bowl, I can't do whatever your hobby is. The fourth thing is insurance, and that's a huge problem in Florida because a lot of people I sign up, just simply the other side don't have insurance. And half the people on the road out there, which is why I tell people when I speak to them that uninsured motors is so important. You got to have uninsured motors because that way I can help you every time collect for your injuries. Finally, it takes about 4 to 6 months for your treatment. At that point, I put a demand out. Typically, they resolve in 30 days. Or number two, you file a lawsuit. That's when another lawyer gets involved. That takes 1 year to 3 years, depending on what county you're in and how fast the judge's docket is run. So hopefully this helps you with the question of how long does it take to settle my personal injury auto accident. Thank you for listening. Please call me or visit my website, frankidson.com. Thank you.